First, I referred my client to apply for a position at Goldman Sachs, did a phone interview, and afterwards I called Obed from Goldman Sachs.
Goldman Sachs participates in several disability-related recruiting efforts. So between campus recruiting, mentoring activities, we do a partnership with Line Connect, and then we participate in the state's workability fairs.
I spoke to him several times, so I knew of his desire to want to hire people with disabilities.
To me, what makes them stand out is, for example, like their Transition Youth Mentoring Day, and at the Workability Job Fair, they always provide us with employees from Goldman Sachs to do mock interviews for our clients as well.
A primary reason I enjoy working at Goldman Sachs is because I'm valued for my productivity.
Remarkable experience I've had have been at the mock interviews at the workability fair.
We invite students into Goldman Sachs where we share perspectives on diversity. We do team building events. We could look to give them some confidence in their employability.
And I know when I have a client who may be a good fit for them, I always feel comfortable in knowing that I can take them over to the Goldman Sachs booth and introduce them to Obed, and that he'll always treat them with dignity and respect.
He suggested that we come to Goldman Sachs and that we take a tour, we meet him, can meet some of the people from the interview committee, and that would make my client feel a little bit better. So he gave us a really good tour. It helped my client feel very comfortable with the interview.
Whenever you're dealing with a problem on your own, it's always a lot more challenging than if you feel the support of your teammates and your colleagues and those that are around you that want you to succeed.
Any coworkers or friends I have, I would want them to reach out and actually use the resources that the firm has available. So I'm actually proud to work for a company that wants every employee to be able to bring their full self to work.
We also look to educate employees about how they can get involved.
But my client was hired at Goldman Sachs, and he's doing very well. And I know that he wouldn't have done as well with his interview if Obed would not have provided that extra help, just that little bit of extra stuff that he needed, and that support for him.
I think it's a great testament to how the firm views its employees.
I think our teams are better when you can be 100% yourself and not have a part that you're hiding. Or a part that you don't want your teammates to know about, that you can have support no matter who you are, how you sound, no matter what your identity is, that you can be yourself and completely participate and give to your team.